Good morning, I'm in Moses Creek Conservation Area and I camped here. And it was a nice, peaceful night. Nobody bothered me. I'm heading out from the Moses Creek Conservation Area campsite. Today is a beautiful day. Hopefully it stays like that. Temperature is in lower 60s, but it's gonna warm up into 70s. And I have 55 miles to go, not much. This is the second day of my across Florida bike tour. I started my ride from Jacksonville. Yesterday I did Jacksonville to Crescent Beach. And then today I'm heading to Daytona Beach and New Smyrna Beach. So that's the plan. But first I'm gonna stop, get a coffee and eat something before I head out. First I'm heading to Crescent Beach, which is a couple of miles away. And then I'm gonna take the A1A south and start riding. I'm out. Let's head through here. You see, St. John's River Water Management District, Moses Creek Conservation Area. Ooh, I have to wait. Too many cars. Temperature is perfect. It's 62 right now. Such a beautiful morning. Right after sunrise. I'm going over the Intracoastal Waterway. I have reached back to the A1A. Now I'm heading A1A south. Actually, I'm gonna just stop here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Morning. Alright, I'm gonna head across the road and sit down over there to eat. They had such a good deal here actually. For $4 you're gonna get the hash brown, sandwich and coffee. You're not gonna get that kind of deal anywhere else. Such a beautiful morning. Fort Matanzas National Monument. Oh, they have a line here waiting for park to open. That's the summer haven. I have ridden here so many times. Today I have a headwind. Yesterday was a tailwind. Going much slower. I'm crossing the Matanzas Inlet. I just entered the Flagler County. But that's a Washington Oaks Gardens and State Park. You know what, I have time. I should go in. Let's do it. Every single time I pass, but this time I'm gonna go in and check it out. Yeah, I always pass this park, always thinking I should go here, but every single time I just pass it. But now I'm going in. Hello.
How are you this morning?
Doing good. Every single time I pass, I thought I'm gonna stop now and check it out.
Oh, okay, very good. Yeah. So it's $2 a bicycle there.
All right. $20 bill.
Ride on the paths, but you can't ride inside the formal gardens. But you can park and walk in. For sure.
Good. Yeah, I always pass it, and every time I think next time I'm gonna stop here.
And we're almost finished actually decorating. So
Okay.
you picked a good time to stop and look around.
Perfect. I'm not gonna spend too much time because I have a long way to go, but I just need to check it out.
Here's what I suggest you do as a first timer, because this is where you're going to see the best part of the park.
Okay.
When you get up here and then go down here and park your bicycle and walk, you see the greenhouse? You'll walk right in there into the gardens.
Oh, perfect.
Formal gardens is where it's at.
Okay.
Any time of the year, but now, especially with the holidays, it looks exceptionally well.
All right, I'm gonna go and check it out.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, have a good time.
Bye. All right. So is this one? I think this one. Okay, let me see what it says. Overflow parking. Okay, let me check the map. Yeah, that's the one. I wonder if I can actually ride. Bicycle and pets prohibited. Okay. So I'm gonna leave my bike somewhere here. Yeah, looks like they're at the corralling. It's beautiful, yeah. Look at that. Roses. It smells so good too. These roses actually smell good. Yeah, it's a beautiful place. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. So cool. Oh wow, look at that. Look at this massive tree. Another massive tree. Oak tree. Live oak. Yeah, you can easily spend half a day here. But I just wanted to stop here for a moment. So many beautiful views. Alright, I'm heading back out. I know there's a lot more to see, but I just wanted to stop for a moment. Okay, I'm gonna continue my ride. Yeah, today I have a headwind, but luckily I don't have that many miles to go. So I have about, I think 30 more miles to go. Hammock Palms, RV campground. So this is the trail actually, alongside of the road. It's called the Marine Beach. I don't remember what's the name of it, but Marine Beach to Flagler Beach trail. pretty cool. No motor vehicles. Alright. Must be a bike trail. Okay, I can see I have 39 miles to go. I did already 15 miles. So yeah, not much. You know what? To be honest, I never have taken this trail. I have always ridden the road. But actually the trail goes through the woods, alongside of the road. That's supposed to be a Publix? That doesn't look like a Publix, but they had a sign, Publix, there. There's the gas station. Maybe I should stop just to take a break. I have so much time. Alright. It's a nice stopping point alongside of the A1A. I haven't seen a front out for a long time. I thought they stopped making these. I don't normally drink soda, but I need to have a font out. Let's continue the ride. It's better to ride now. The wind is not that hard. I think the wind has turned. Doesn't feel like a headwind. I'm going faster too now, 16, 17 miles an hour. Such a nice ride. Today's turning into 70s. I think it's already 70, it feels like. Beverly Beach. Both sides have the RV park. Yeah, it's a huge RV park here. Surfside Estates. It's not really RV park, it's a community. Actually, they do have RVs here. Yeah, it's a RV park. Doral Park RV Resort. Alright, getting closer to Flagler Beach. It's one of the prettiest sections on A1A. Right along the coast. It's beautiful here. Alright, Flagler Beach. That's the most famous spot on the A1A. Alright, Flagler Beach. Flagler Beach is actually long, at least 20 miles I think, maybe more. Entering Volusia County. Now I'm in Volusia County. And look, they have finished the work on the seashore. Last time I was here, they were working on it. And now it's done. Only thing what's left are those markers. So, yeah, I'm riding A1A in Volusia County. And it does have a nice sidewalk. I could ride a road, but I'm not in a hurry. I'm in Daytona Beach. Yeah, I have about 13 miles to go to my campground, Nova Family Campground. But I called them, they said we have plenty of tent sites. Right, I have arrived to my stopping point, Starbucks. I'm gonna spend some time here.
Okay.
Oh, it's a nice ride here. It's called South Beach Street. It seems to me like an extra street just for bicyclists. Look how wide it is. But it looks nice and perfect for bike ride. Love it. Alright, I have arrived at Nova Family Campground. See? They even have a swimming pool here. Okay. I have arrived. I don't know. I feel like I've been here before, but I don't think I've been here.